Ready for the blow. We're gonna do a countdown from you. Let's do a countdown from 3 all the way to 1, okay? Ready? It's 3, 2.
Fifth birthday ng anak ni Sofia Andres at Daniel Miranda na si Zoe. Big girl na ang anak nila. Nakakatuwa naman habang kinakantahan sa harapan ng birthday girl. Si Kai Gutierrez, anak ni Sara Labati, nagpunta din sa harapan at na-excite din mag-blow ng candle ni Zoe. Friends nga sina Sofia at Sara, kaya invited din ang dalawang anak ni Sara Labati dito. Panoorin ang masayang selebrasyon ni Zoe.
Ready for the blow. We're gonna do a countdown from you. Let's do a countdown from 3 all the way to 1, okay? Ready? It's 3, 2, 1. One more. Okay, ready? Okay, let's do this all together as loud as we can from 3 all the way to 1. In 3, 2, 1, blow! Clap your hands together! Are you guys all celebrating? Happy birthday, Zoe! Okay, thank you so much.
Maayos naman ngang na-handle ni Sofia at Daniel ito. Ang cute ni Sofia ang magsaway kay Kai. Mabait nga ito at super close si Kai kay Zoe. Kaya okay lang kay Zoe ang nangyari. Nag-dance number naman itong si Zoe ng APT, ang favorite ng lahat ng bata. Solo dance number nga lang. Malakas ang loob, kayang-kayang mag-isa ni Zoe.
Fine, I want to see Daddy Daniel's version. Mama Sofia. I'm a fan. Of course, I'm a follower too. So, napanood ko talaga yung mga dance number ni Daddy and of course ni Mommy Sofia and Zoe. Once again, let's put our hands together for Zoe. Can we invite all the kids to please join us here? Let's have a picture first with Zoe.
Napatakbo naman sa likuran si Daniel nang sabihan ng host na mag-ready na rin siya ng dance number. Mahihain nga parehas ang couple, kaya si Zoe sumayaw ng solo. Pero kayang-kaya at napakaganda ng performance.
One, blow! Clap your hands together! Can you guys all celebrate? Happy birthday, Zoe! Everybody, happy birthday! Let's sing it faster this time, all together! Sing happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Let's do this. Hit the music, please. Ready? And sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's my favorite color. Why are you laughing? Is there something wrong? How about this one? Red. How about this one? Green. How about this one? Take one in my box, Zoe. Please do not break it. You just have to blow it. To make it safe, I'll hold it for you. Okay? Blow. Okay, the magic will happen right after you go. You have to use your diaphragm. Inhale. Just like that. Okay? You ready now? Blow. Are you ready? Yeah. You sure? Yeah. The magic will happen right after you go. Okay? Was that you? Hey. Let's make it faster this time. All together. course, candle blowing will not be complete without the birthday wish from the parents. Daddy Daniel will do it. Birthday wish, Daddy Daniel for Zoe. A message for all the family who came to celebrate her birthday.
Thank you everybody for going to my birthday.
Over here, everyone! Here's the message from Zoe.
Message from Daddy! Daddy!
Thank you so much.
Go dance! Go dance! Sarap!
Go, Daddy!
Go na!
Go!
Thank you.
Ang sweet naman nga ng birthday message ni Daniel Miranda sa anak. Nagpasahan pa nga ng Mike ang mag-partner nang bigayan na ng speech. Medyo shy nga si Sofia at agad na ipasa kay Daniel Miranda.
We hope you all had a great time. And yeah, happy birthday, Zoe. You're always a good girl. And you're 5 years old today, very fast. So I'm very proud of you, very happy of you. So yeah, continue to always be very good girl. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Over here, everyone!
Thank you guys, thank you.
Been waiting for that, Mom Sophie. It's doing countdown from 3 all the way to 1. In 3, 2, 1. Zoe! Blow! Clap your hands! Can you guys follow something great? Happy birthday, Zoe! Now, before we give you your special